I'm John Jolliffe, Product Manager for Ascertia, makers of the world's most comprehensive trust services and digital signatures products. Smart Forms is a powerful, time-saving feature that lets you create reusable forms that can be shared as a link or embedded in a website. With Smart Forms, recipients can complete and submit forms without the form owner having to send a document manually to a specific email address. This makes them ideal for streamlining standard processes such as collecting customer or employee details. Start by creating your document template. Upload your document as normal, name the template, and add any description if needed. In the recipients section, make sure the first signer has the placeholder role. To do this, you'll need to first add a signer, then add your placeholder. Then afterwards, remove the first signer. Add a clear descriptive name to help users understand their role when completing the form. Then add any form fields in the document and click Save and Close. Now create your smart form. First, name your form and add any instructions you wish the form fillers to see. Select your template from the drop-down list. You then have the option to configure additional settings, such as email validation for each signatory and access controls to limit the number and speed of replies. You can now copy and share the URL directly with users or embed the form URL on a website. When users click on a URL that you share with them, they complete the standard signer information form, including email validation if enabled, before gaining access to the document and completing any fields. Alternatively, you can embed the URL into another website or intranet site. The user experience is the same. Provide the signer information and then access the form to sign. From the Smart Forms tab, you can track the number of responses received and view any completed forms, which will be a separate item in the documents view. You can also download the response data in multiple formats for further processing outside SigningHub. If you'd like to know more about how Ascertia and Ascertia digital trust products work, then please don't hesitate to get in touch or check out more of our videos on our YouTube channel.